Make Father's Day unforgettable with Confection Couture's Father's Day Cookie Confection Collection. Here's everything you'll need. Check the description for a complete list. The cap from your dropper bottle fits perfectly on every 4.5 ounce bottle of Amerimist Food Coloring. Load the color into your AirGenie airbrush tool. Next, load the background stencil into your Stencil Genie and position over the first cookie. Use our cookie magnets to help hold the stencil assembly in place. Be sure to first test the spray flow on a folded paper towel. Use a long needle or similar tool to prevent individual elements of the stencil from lifting away from the cookie surface. Apply the color in light, even coats. For more intricate designs, use Glad Press and Seal to mask around stencil elements. Use the Gyro-Cut craft and hobby cutting tool to easily cut and peel away the press and seal. Use clean water to easily wash food coloring off the stencil after each application. The quadrant masking tool works great for quickly masking around stencil elements. When cleaning the airbrush tool between colors, be sure to rinse thoroughly and also to run clean water through the tool with air from the AirGenie system repeatedly until the spray runs clear. Repeat the masking and airbrushing procedure for other cookies and stencils. Clotting of the food coloring can sometimes occur, especially if the airbrush tool sits for a period of time with the color still loaded. Always be sure to angle your stencil tool as close as possible to 90 degrees in relation to the stencil. The Father's Day Cookie Confection Collection from Confection Couture will make this Father's Day perfect to a T.